Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create Windows 11 image. Windows 11 is almost here. Microsoft has announced the update will start rolling out to PC owners on October 5th to compatible devices. The free update brings plenty of new features, complete with a new start menu, widgets, and a refreshed interface. You can install Windows 11 right now if you want to get an early look at the new feature and help Microsoft test the update. Microsoft hasn't yet updated its media creation tool to include Windows 11 yet, but the company has published the same Windows 11 ISO image that's currently available through the Insider program. To create a Windows 11 installation drive, you'll need at least 8 GB USB drive. To create Windows 11 image, follow this guide. First, visit the Microsoft Windows Insider Program Downloads page. You'll be asked to sign in to your Microsoft account, and you'll be asked if sign up for the Insider program if you're not already a member. Scroll down the page until you see a drop-down labeled Select Edition. Click the drop-down and then select the version of Windows 11 you want to download. The developer version is updated more frequently and is more likely to have major bugs or issues. The beta channel is updated at a slower pace, with fixes and improvements. In other words, it's the more stable version of the two. I suggest going with the beta channel for that very reason. Select your version, then click Confirm. Next you'll be asked to select a language, then click Confirm again, followed by clicking on the 64-bit download button to finally begin downloading the ISO. It's a fairly large file at 5.1 GB, so depending on your internet connection, it may take some time for the download to finish. Once the download finishes, your work isn't completely done. You need to burn that ISO image onto a USB drive. And to do that, you'll need some extra software. Here's the Windows 11 image just downloaded. I will cut and paste somewhere in my desktop. Now our Windows 11 image is downloaded. Let's create installation media for it using Rufus application. It's the same app that Microsoft itself uses in its guide for creating a Windows 10 bootable drive. If you don't have it, you can download it free in their website. Next, insert the target USB drive. Here's the drive we're going to use for the installation media. If you have more than one USB drive connected, select the correct USB drive using the device drop-down. Remember, anything on your thumb drive will be erased during this process, so make sure it's empty and/or you have everything you need off of it. Just leave the default settings under partition scheme and target system type, file system and cluster size. You can change the new volume label name if you wish. Under boot selection, select disk or ISO image and then click on the text that reads select and pick the ISO file you created in the previous step. There's a section in Rufus labeled image option with several different settings. Leave everything as the default. Click Start when all of the options are set. Again, you have to wait while the program does its job. Here's the log record if you wish to check it. And here's Windows 11 installation drive. It's ready and we can unplug it. This covers creating Windows 11 image. If you have a question to ask, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.